YouTube. I just wanted to get on here and do a quick video. It is pertaining to highlighting. I have been wanting to do this video for a while, so if you want to see how I highlight or how I strobe my face, keep watching. Okay, so the things that I'm gonna tell you, I'm not a professional, I'm not a makeup artist at all, but this is what works for me and this is how I do it. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is what I do is I use a highlighter, and I don't really have a technique. I just kind of go in there and do what looks good as I'm doing my makeup. So first I have my highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead, if you can see on your face like where the light hits, like for me it's like right here in this area and up here, a little bit above my eyebrow here, the tip of my nose area. And on this side, the same thing. It would be like right here, up here on the side, above my eyebrow. So it kind of like goes like in a C. So that's kind of like where I play off on. I highlight, I don't go past my pupil just because I do have a little bit of medium-sized pores right here. And that's the last thing you want to do is put highlight on your pores because it accentuates them. It makes them larger, up here larger. So I try and stay like right where my pupil begins. So it'd be like from here on up, from here on up. So the first thing I do is go ahead and get some of this highlight. And I'm gonna go ahead and just tap it on my finger because I feel like it works best for me. And then you're just gonna slowly tap that in. And you just wanna tap it slowly because you don't wanna have a really prominent highlight line as if you painted it on there. So I just kind of like blend it in slow and go up with it. Like so. Then I'm gonna come up here and do a little bit up here. So do a little bit up here. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and do this side over here. And remember, you don't want to pass that line. I mean, unless you want to show your pore. I don't. And then go up with it. See how it gives you like that? Yes, girl. Okay. And you want to keep going just so you can see where you're at. I mean, this is so good. And you go a little bit above your eyebrow just to give it that dewy look when light hits it. So it looks real refreshed and as if you're like sun-kissed. Right here. Like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. So So I'm gonna put a little bit here. I'm just gonna kind of tap it. Just tap it slow so it'll blend in. And you want to blend it in good so it doesn't look as if you just put highlight on there. Okay? See that? That's that. Okay. So from there, what I'm gonna do, I have a highlighting loose powder that I use, and it's very pigmented. So what I do, I just grab my brush and I barely tap some on the brush, then I tap it off, and I'm just gonna put it where I highlighted and just barely tap it on there. Kind of just blend it in there, slow. Then just get a little bit more and then put it up here. And then I do go above my eyebrow up here, just to give it a little bit of sheen, like so. Then you go to the other side and do the same thing, tap, tap, tap. And then also what I do next, I put it on my Cupid's bow, and I go ahead and go in with this ColourPop. It's called Super Chic Paralyzed, and it's called Lunch Money. Not sure if you can see that. Get my brush and I just tap a little bit on there. And then what you're gonna do, that's so fluffy. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go above your lip a little bit on both sides and then up your Cupid's bow. And this is gonna give you that powder effect. And then also I go in here and tap a little bit on the inner part of my eye, just to give it that, it kind of opens it up a little bit, makes your eyes look a little bit more alert and awake. Blend that in good. Because normally if I just use like a, I guess a powder form highlight that I normally use with like one of these fan brushes, it's very like thick and cakey, and you can see like, oh, that's highlighted on there. Like this, like if you look this way, you really can't see it. But if I turn and you see the light, how it like reflects, and that's why it's called like strobing, like a highlight strobe. And I love it because it looks real like honey dewy. So if I'm like talking, you can see the difference. Like if I turn my head and how it kind of like highlights my cheekbone area up here. But I love it because it just looks like it's like fresh and it's not like too much or too overdone. But okay guys, so that's it. I just wanted to get on here and show you how I strobe. We be strobing. And also you can put a little bit, if you want to go into detail, and put a little bit right here. To where it gives you like that shine. But yeah, that's it you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to get on here and show you how I do my highlight slash strobing. Have any questions or requested videos, please comment down below and I will get to them as soon as I can. If you like videos like this, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming video. I hope everyone's having a good week. I just wanted to get on here and show you how I do this highlight like a pro, or strobing, which I'm obsessed with. I don't think I'm just gonna highlight ever again, just because it just looks so natural. And once that natural light hits, it's just, let me see if I can show y'all the difference. So this is me without my light, my bright light on. See how it looks like it's, you know, it gives you, like if you're this way, you really can't see it, the highlight. But once the natural light like hits, it kind of like gives you that dewy effect, which I love. So yeah, so that's it. I just, like I said, I wanted to get on here and just show you guys how I strobe, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.